Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify Tax Settings with Shopify Payments for US sellers step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. From the dashboard, navigate to the Settings option located in the lower left corner. Click on the Settings tab to access the relevant options. Next, select the Taxes and Duties section from the menu. In the Taxes section, click on United States. You will see various tax settings. Start by enabling Calculate Taxes automatically. Next, select the option to charge sales tax on your online store. Now, input the states where you have a tax obligation. Shopify will suggest rates based on your store's location and product types. Review these suggested rates to ensure they align with your local tax laws. If necessary, add specific tax rates for certain states by clicking on Manage Rates. Once you've confirmed your tax settings, save your changes. Now, navigate back to the Settings section from the dashboard. This time, select Payments. Under the Shopify Payments section, click on Edit. Scroll down to the section regarding taxes. Ensure the box for I will collect taxes is checked. Next, verify that the tax rates are correctly displayed under the tax settings. Review your shipping rates as well, as they might also be subject to tax. Save all changes once you've reviewed these settings. Finally, test your checkout process to confirm that taxes are being calculated correctly. Your Shopify tax settings for US sellers are now configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.